The COVID-19 pandemic will have some lasting impacts on many areas of our lives, including the legal system.
Kelly Vaughn is live tonight. And Kelly, there's one element that could actually affect many of us that we just don't realize.
That's right. There's a couple changes. Just as COVID-19's impacted our lives in most every way, it's impacted most every aspect of the law, from business, insurance, healthcare, and the laws had to evolve to handle these changing issues. One of the areas the pandemic will leave a large mark on is contracts.
We're certainly seeing, light speed developments in the law in those areas because those issues are front and center around the country.
Justin Toth is a shareholder at Ray, Quinney & Nebaker. He says the pandemic has caused the law to become more refined. An example is force majeure, a term in most contracts that basically says if events happen beyond a party's control, then that can excuse either side from the contract.
And we have certainly refined that body of law over the last 6 months of what a force majeure event looks like.
He says in the future, many contracts will have language included for events like a global pandemic.
There are lots of things we think about differently now as human beings. We learn from our experiences, and as lawyers, we learn from our experiences.
Not only will the law evolve, the way it's practiced will likely remain changed as well. Toth says they've been doing trials, hearings, and depositions by Zoom, which will likely stick around even post-social distancing.
In lots of ways, that's a good thing. I mean, it's much less expensive. But it's going to take us a while to unwind what COVID has done.
He says the Utah court system is horribly backlogged with criminal and civil trials, and it will take years to get through that backlog. Now, while Utah lawyers are dealing with many more COVID-19 related cases, there have been decline in other areas, like there's been less trust and estate planning, and also because most jury trials have been delayed, criminal practices have slowed drastically throughout the state. Now reporting live in downtown Salt Lake City, Kelly Vaughn for 2 News.